Look how crazy this looks when the sun hits the stick Damascus. It's a rainbow look. It looks like metal. It is crazy. Well, finally got it out in the sun. Just wanted to take a look. When you get further back and the sun's not on it, it gets a little more of a matte black look. Not as bright. But I just wanted to get some close-ups of it. The mirror's done. We also did the gloss black PPF on the bottom. So the mirrors were gray on this car, and also where the B pillars right here, this is black PPF, not a vinyl. So we got some new products and just wanted to get another video of it. It's just crazy the amount of shine that it has. Look at that. Damascus stick. Give us a call, 336-851-1300. Check us out at dodona.com, or you can text us at 851-1300 as well.